Tired of juggling USB drives just to try out Ubuntu? Today, I'm going to blow your mind by showing you how to dual boot Ubuntu 22.04 straight from your hard drive. No USB required. We will be performing a network-based installation. First up, you'll need a free partition on your hard drive if you already have one. That's great. If not, shrink an existing NTFS partition using Windows Disk Management. A minimum of 25 GB is recommended for Ubuntu. To do this, search for Disk Management in the Windows search bar. Right-click on the partition you want to shrink and select Shrink Volume. Follow the prompts to create the unallocated space. Next, enable network booting for your BIOS or firmware. Ubuntu offers a convenient network boot installation, which we will use to load the OS onto your PC. Follow the instructions to enable this function. Access your BIOS settings when you boot up your computer, usually by pressing Delete F2, or find the boot order settings and prioritize network boot. Save the changes and exit. Now restart your computer. This time, it should boot from the network and initiate the Ubuntu 22.04 installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language, keyboard layout, and network settings. When you get to the partitioning step, choose the something else option. Be very careful here. Select the unallocated space you created earlier and create the necessary partitions. For Ubuntu, you'll need at least a root partition mounted at, a swap partition, and optionally a home partition, and assign them the adequate space. Make sure the bootloader is installed on the same drive as Ubuntu to avoid boot problems. Once the installation is complete, reboot your system. You should now see a boot menu allowing you to choose between Windows and Ubuntu. And there you have it. You've successfully dual booted Ubuntu 22.04 without a USB drive. Happy experimenting!